I'm Christina from the Lillooet Library. Did you know that we have Explorer Kits that you can borrow? We have a birding kit, a dinosaur kit, a new geocaching kit. We've also got 2 new robotics kits. This is probably great for ages 7 and up. So what's inside? We've got 2 robots that are called Sphero Bolts, 2 charging stands and charging cables. We've got a laminated guide on how to operate the Sphero Bolt, a book that's got some other science-based activities that you can do, as well as other sort of STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, activities for kids. So that's what these are. So other things that you can do besides playing with the robots. So the robot itself is this Sphero Bolt, and you should charge it before you use it. Is you just place it on top of this little stand thing, but then you got to plug it in. Then the other end is just a USB that you can plug into a computer. And then to have fun with the Sphero Bolt, you have to download an app called Sphero Edu, create a free account, and then you can drive the robot around as well as learn some coding, do some activities, pre-program it, and play some games. So with the app on my phone, I can actually drive this robot around. And remember that with these kits, you can check them out from the library. You have them for 3 weeks and can renew them after that. And just like a book, bring it back when you're done. You can take out something else.